Welcome to this brief overview of the Excellence Platform Dashboard, or EPD for short. We created the EPD to give access to project results without the distraction of seeing the wider functionality required by project owners. But please note that all the current existing dashboard functionality within the Excellence Platform will still remain for access by project owners. The EPD is ideal for executive presentations and real-time analysis and consensus building of operational capabilities and financial performance. So first of all, we need to log into the EPD. And here we can see the home screen. So we've got the familiar set of navigation icons here at the top. Regional map, which is this home screen view. Capability charts, the projector screen, consensus building radar charts, country information. And we can change this view, interestingly, either by the opacity changing, depending on the capability level, or the familiar RAG system, simply by clicking the checkbox. You can see in the chart here that we've got a little dot which represents the revenue achievement. So we can see that here I'm mousing over Norway's revenue achievement and they're at 66%. Likewise, if we go around, we can see Sweden, we've got the capability level in the panel in the middle, etc. So first of all, once a project is completed in the Excellence Platform, it can be associated to this platform by clicking on the Country Information tab. So if you click on the Country Information tab, we go to this screen here where we can select the country that we're interested in. And let's say if we go down to the UK, and we can then either choose to update the quarterly revenues and or select the target project. So if we look at selecting the target project, we select that radio button, click Next. And now all of the projects associated to that country will be listed here. And we can change the selection simply by clicking on it, and we can see that the blue marker here shows that we've selected this project. If we go back to country information, this is where we could then put in some quarterly revenues by clicking Next. And then we can choose the quarter that we're inputting the information for, and we put in a target and actual values. So if we then go to the regional map, we can see then the United Kingdom on the project we've just selected came out as aware, and the revenue achievement there is 69%. So to further drill in, what we can do is we can click on the country, and here we can see the familiar graph now. And we can see that the categories that have been assessed are key partner management, channel management, and lead and opportunity management. And if we click the capability level tab, we can see the capability level that it came out at and the description here. We can also see the recommended actions associated to this particular category grouping. We can change the number of recommended actions that we can see. And if we go back to the operational weakness, again, we can click in to the chart by clicking on the bars. And again, we can see the recommended actions particular to this particular category. There's a summary of the category, and we can further drill in, and then we can look at actions associated to this, KPIs and controls, and also another summary here of this capability grouping. So we can either drill back up, or we could look, for example, at the projector screen. Here we can see the familiar projector screen, and we can do the what if scenario planning again for projecting into the future. And again, all of the associated actions, capabilities affected, etc. are all reproduced in here, monetary value, etc. And we can see at the bottom we've got the return on risk mitigation information there. And last but not least, we can look at the consensus building. So all of the consensus graphs are replicated here. We can click away in the legend as normal. We can also select by team here, by responder again. We can choose on the self-assessment or capability analysis, and again by team. To go to the next radar chart, we simply click the next icon up here, and it will toggle through the different response charts to facilitate consensus building workshops. Here we can see a capability group description. So to return back to the home screen, we simply click the regional map. So that's a brief explanation of the new Excellence Platform dashboard application. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.